Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by deciding whether to use automatic captions or a manual transcription service. Automatic captions are free on YouTube but require careful proofreading for accuracy. Manual services cost from /bin/sh 50 to 00 per minute for higher accuracy. Download subtitles from YouTube Studio in SRT or VTT format for editing. For short videos, copy auto captions and clean punctuation and timestamps manually. Save the final text as TXT or docx and include timestamps every 30 seconds. Use speech-to-text tools for batch processing when transcribing many videos at once. Open YouTube Studio and select subtitles from the left menu for the chosen video. Click on the language and choose Edit on Classic Studio to access transcript lines. Download the caption file as SRT or VTT using the three-dot menu for external editing. Open the SRT file in a text editor to remove timing only or keep timestamps. Proofread the transcript while watching the video, correcting speaker labels and punctuation. Export the clean transcript as TXT, docx, or caption formats for publishing or SEO. Use Otter, AI, Descript, or Google Cloud speech-to-text for automated bulk transcriptions. Set speaker separation and auto-punctuation options when available to improve readability. Trim filler words and nonverbal sounds during editing unless they serve contextual purpose. Maintain timestamps at natural pauses every 30 to 60 seconds for reference. Use Grammarly or Hemingway to tighten prose and check for passive voice issues. Export captions to improve SEO by adding the transcript to the video description or website. For privacy, remove personal data and encrypt transcripts when sharing with external services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.